Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a floor lamp, this one is from Meisoda, and I think it is so awesome. There's a few things that make this stand out as different. For one thing, it's height adjustable. So if you want it to be a little on the shorter side, or maybe you're putting it behind a piece of furniture and you need it to be a little more raised, you can absolutely adjust it. It also has 3 color changing modes, which is so cool. So depending on the warmth, the vibe you're going for, you can just pull the cord and every time you turn it back on, it is a different color temperature. Now, it doesn't end there. Another thing that makes it unique to your style is that it comes with 2 different lampshades. I personally really love the texture of this one, so this is the one that we choose to keep on, but there are 2 choices, so whatever goes with your style. It's also nice and easy to put together. So it comes in a box. It's very simple to assemble, just takes a couple of minutes. And then of course you also build your own lampshades, but again, really easy to put together. It's got this beautiful brushed gold finish, a really nice sturdy base. So it's not tippy. It's got a really great surface area on the ground. I love all the little finishes. It's very pretty. It goes really nice with your style. It goes in any room and it just makes everything look nice and polished. So I think if you're looking for a floor lamp, go with this one. It's an excellent choice and that's my point of view.